Welcome to our channel. Downloading and setting up MetaMask wallet is your gateway to the world of decentralized finance and Web3 applications. Step 1. Visit the official MetaMask website at metamask.io using a secure internet connection to avoid phishing sites. Step 2. Click the download button and select your platform, whether it's a browser extension or mobile app for iOS or Android. Step 3. For browser users, click Install MetaMask for Chrome, Firefox, or your preferred compatible browser. Step 4. Your browser will redirect you to the extension store where you can click Add to Browser or Install. Step 5. Once installed, the MetaMask icon will appear in your browser toolbar, so click it to begin the setup process. Step 6. Select Create a new wallet and create a strong password that you'll use to unlock MetaMask on this device. Step 7. Write down your secret recovery phrase of 12 words in the exact order shown and store it in a secure physical location. Step 8. Confirm your recovery phrase by selecting the words in the correct order, completing your wallet setup, and enabling you to start using MetaMask. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.